All right. So I believe by now you have successfully installed the Microsoft Visual Studio on your computer, and as well as Microsoft Office Suite on your computer as well. So first thing first, let's create our new project. Let's package ourselves very well so that we can, go ahead and then work along with all we want to do. Yes. So let's go to File, New Project, right? So we're going to create a new project. So from here, you can decide to choose any net framework you wish to use. So I will be using the 4.5, right? So make sure you have Visual Basic selected, and under the Visual Basic selected, click on Windows, and you come here, you select Windows Form Application. We have the name given here, so this name is the name of your software, right? So I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call this um I'm going to call this um let's call this IKP. Let's say Ikesoft Pharmacy Management System. All right, so this location is where we're going to save our project to. So I'm just going to click on the browse, and from this location I'm just going to my music folder. That is an empty folder. I just want to show you how the packaging are being done. So from here, I'm just going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this Microsoft PMS, that is Pharmacy Management System. So within this folder, I just click on select folder. Now my project will be saved into this directory. So from here, just click on Windows Form Application. Make sure you have everything done. Then just click on OK, and that is going to create your whole project for you. So when I navigate myself to my music folder, you see that I have this Microsoft PMS folder here, and in there I have this Microsoft Pharmacy Management System project here. And when I open that, you can see that I have my solution file, and I have my Microsoft Pharmacy Management System file here. This is a hidden file, so let me quickly yes, so this is how it's going to be. So you could see this folder right here. When you open that, you see your first form here, right? So this is the first form you have so far. Now let's try to modify some things up so that I believe we can get a better understanding of how the whole thing works. Okay, so this is going to be our loading screen. So concerning the splash screen, this is what we're going to do. So let's go to the properties section of this project. First thing first, I would like to set the start position to the center of my screen. There you go. And I would like to switch the border style, that is the form border style, to none for now. And I'll just squeeze it for it to be this way. Good, so I have this right here. Let's see the loading screen. I would like to redirect myself to where I have my project being done, and I will just launch it for you to see how probably how it works, right? So let me just quickly go by that, and let's see. So let's see how the splash screen works. So you could see that we have this nice color. So let me use snipping. So I would like to use a snipping tool to create a new snipping. Oh, come on. So first of all, let me add the login as a snipping so that you could see what we will be doing so far. Let me quickly use the previous one so that everything is going to be, let me use the UI one as well. So from the UI one, I just want to show you how it works. Oh, come on. Got to be kidding me. Okay, so let's use this, but we will rather take a screenshot based on that. So let's say I click on new. I just save this login screen, which we will be tackling based on, and I'll save this as login into my pictures. Then that'll be what we will be doing. So I'll just have to add this as login to, right? Okay, so this is quite interesting. So let's see from where we're gonna start the whole thing. Yes, so let's see what we have here. From our pictures, you could see that we have this nice login system right here. Let's see the way forward, how we could manage to build this. Okay, so from this section, I believe you've gotten what we will be doing right here. I will be giving you a link to download some resources, or I'll be giving you some resources in this project. So I believe you'll be downloading the resources. These are the resources I'll be giving to you. So I'll just go back and then copy this resources and then go to my music iSoft. Then I paste the resources here. That means all the resources icons will be fetched from here, right? Good. Okay, so this image right here, it is being added to the resource folder. If you have any icon which you want to use for your management software, you can go ahead and then use it. Okay, so from this project, you could see that I have I have two panels, three panel, and then the fourth panel, right? Okay, so this is what I intend of doing. I'll add a panel, one panel up here, then I choose the color to be that same color. So let's use this active control for now, and I will just dock the container, or let's say the panel, to the top like this. You see? Good. So you could see that okay, let's see from here. We have this guy from here, and we have another panel. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this panel and paste it right here. Then I just reduce this a little bit, and now you can see that that panel color is a different color, right? So just have to set the color to a different color. So you can decide to choose a custom color depending on whatever you want to do. And now we have to add one more, that will be the blue color, right? So I have copied already, so I'll just paste it like this, and I'll set this color to the blue color, right? Okay, so I'll add one more down here, and I'll dock this to the bottom. So you go to the dock, instead of top, set it to the bottom, right? Good. So you have this. Now this, set it instead of top, fill the whole thing. Okay, undo that. Let's first cut it and dock this to the bottom, dock this to the top, then let's paste it in here, and that is quite awesome. Okay, so let's see how we could work along with the colors as well. We will be blending the colors depending on what you want to do. So let's add the image, and let's see how we could add this pharmacy management system alongside with a progress bar. Okay, so we will be adding a picture box right here, and from the picture box, that is where we're going to choose our image from. So as I said earlier on, you have been given the resources folder already, so I believe you've downloaded it so far by now. So I just click on import, then I go to my resources. Now I have access to all the resources, so I'll be choosing my icon right here, then I click on OK. Then you see that it will just appear here, but very big. So we have to switch the size mode from normal to stretch. So we have this, and that is okay. Now let's see from here. We have this Pharmarcy. This Pharmarcy, I added we're going to add a label, and this label we just set the font, the font color to white, and we set the font size to 25. Let's use 30. Good. And I'll set the bold to true, and I would like to use a custom font, which you can decide to choose any of them you wish to choose. So in this project I'm just going to use Arial black, right? Then I choose the 30. So this is how it's going to be. So I just go, you could see that we have this Pharma, and then we have the Pha, and then we have the Marcy. So that this label is going to be the Pha, so that is going to be PHA. This is what I have right here. So that means I have to change the size to 35, and that is very big. I love it. Let's make it 40. Okay, so this is quite interesting. So I have this Pha, and this Pha color, it goes like red, right? So let's set the font color, that is the white, let's set it to red for now. So I have this Pha, so I just have to copy and paste it one more time. So we bring it here, you see. So we can decide to bring this front, and we send this back like that, and this is going to be a white color. So let's set the font color to white, and let's set the text to Marcy, right? So this is what I did. And I will add one more, and I set the color to white, and I'll set the size to 20, and I set the bold to false. Then I set the style, the name to Arial, because when you take a good look at this, you could see that it is Arial bold. So I'll use Arial bold. Good. So let's see what we have here. Let's go by this guy, then let's choose Arial, and in this Arial I'm going to choose the bold. So from this Pharma, I'll just say management system software. Okay, so I just position this here. I just have to switch to 15, and that is quite interesting. So you could see that I have this management system right here. Depending on the font size you wish to use it, you can decide to choose any font size your heart desires, and that is going to work absolutely perfect for you. So I have this, and I add a progress bar. So I add one progress bar here. I extend the progress bar till the end, and this is what I did. I just resized the progress bar to be this. So we have the size for the width and then the height. So the height, I'm just gonna set it to 15, and this is how it's going to be. So you could see that this is the height of it. So the height, let's make it 12, and that is cool. So we have this, that is excellent. So when we start this, it's going to be like that. So you could just see that the project is now quite interesting, and we are moving forward. So from this management system, you can go ahead and then play along with the colors, everything, and it's going to be awesome depending on whatever you want to do, depending on whatever you want to build. Any creativity you want to add to this is going to work absolutely perfect. So we have this system right here and ready to go.